Hi, today we discuss about the cost accounting. In that we find out the variance analysis. Variance is difference between the actual amount of cost or revenue, and the expected amount. In that we what is the actual and what is the expected amount. Variance analysis compare the actual amount with the standard amounts and calculate the efficiency. The analysis to explain the reason behind the difference variance analysis helps in management in finding the cause of variation. In that difference between the planned, budgeted or standard cost and actual cost, we sometimes the situation of zero variance also occurs in the actual result just equal to planned result. Classification of variance, it is classified into three. One is material cost variance, then labor cost variance, overhead cost variance. These classified into three category. Okay, material cost variance. Material cost variance is direct material cost variance. Is the difference between the standard of cost specific direct material and actual cost material used in the production process. In that we find out the material cost variance according to the CIMA defines material cost variance is the difference between the standard direct material cost of the actual production volume and actual cost of direct material. So we find out the material cost variance, standard material cost minus actual material cost. Okay, then next we discuss about the material price variance. Material price variance is the difference between the standard price of material and the actual price of the material of the production. Materials price variance is stated that actual quantity into standard price minus actual price. So we calculate the standard price minus actual price into actual quantity. We find out the material price variance. Then next one is material usage variance. In particular company, raw materials are used in the for production. In that how much we are used, we calculate the some measurement. It is known as material quantity variance. It difference between the standard quantity of material purchased of actual production and actual quantity of material used. Maybe material price, mix, usage, quantity variance are measured on input basis. Okay, material usage variance, how to calculate it? It is a simple way, standard quantity minus actual quantity into standard price. Standard quantity minus actual quantity into standard price. We calculate the material usage variance. Then next one is material mix variance. Material mix variance is more than one type of material. It is the product may be produced by more than one type of material. These materials are mixed in a specific ratio. Difference in actual mix and the standard mix, it is called a material mix variance. In that we find out the revised standard actual input minus actual proportion into standard price. We find out that for classification of variance is based on the material variance classified into materials price variance and material usage variance. In that material yield variance. Material yield variance is nothing but actual yield minus standard yield into standard rate. Material yield variance, actual yield, what is the actual yield? minus standard yield into standard rate. We can find out the material yield variance. These are all the material variance. Thank you.